Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the data modeling. Data modeling is a very important step in any project. So for data modeling, the data is huge, so we'll need to create it into chunks. So here, let me duplicate it. Right click here, click on duplicate. So this will be our fact data. Rename it to sales data, and here you need to again rename it, and then for example say product. Here choose only the product columns. For example, I'll show product name, category, subcategory. Yeah, that would be fine. Now right click here and remove all the other columns. So this is a separate table only for the products. Let me readjust here and this here. So it looks perfect now. And let me go back here. So once you create this, we don't need all these things because we have already stored the data here. So what you can do is you can delete the product name, category and subcategory by keeping the product id. These two will be linked in the star schema. So let me delete it now. Click on product category, subcategory, product name, right click and click on remove columns. In the similar way, I'll show you how to create another table. Click on duplicate and rename it to customer details, like this. And in this only keep the customer related columns, customer id, name, segment will be fine, and city, state, country will be another table called as location. So I'll just right click here and remove other columns. So once I did this, what I should do is I need to go back here and go to customer name, segment, click on remove. One more thing is, so to create the relationships between the star schema, the relationships should be many to one. For this to happen, you need to delete all the duplicates in the product id. Click on the column, right click and remove the duplicates. So in this way, we'll be mapping many to one. Similarly, go to customer details, right click and remove duplicates. In the similar way, I'll create two more tables and I'll show you how to use the relationships in the next video. Thank you.